Want to send love and support back home to the Philippines without getting hit with crazy fees? I will show you how. First, download the Sendwave app on your phone and create an account. You'll need to enter your email, phone number, and create a secure password. Sendwave will then ask you to verify your identity. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to upload a picture of your ID and a selfie. This step is crucial for security. Once your account is verified, tap on Send Money and select Philippines from the country list. Now, add your recipient's details. You'll need their full name, address, and either their bank account details or the name of the remittance center where they'll pick up the cash, like Cebuana Lulier or Ram Lulier. Choose your preferred payment method. Sendwave accepts debit cards, credit cards, and sometimes even bank transfers. Be aware that credit card transactions sometimes incur extra fees. Enter the amount you want to send. The app will clearly show you the exchange rate and any fees associated with the transaction. Sendwave employs strong encryption and security measures to protect your transactions. It's also smart to create a strong password and never click suspicious links. Review all the details carefully and confirm the transfer. Your recipient will receive the money quickly, often within minutes. And that's it. Sending money to your loved ones in the Philippines with Sendwave is easy, fast, and affordable. Now go spread some love.